Hello friends, we are glad to see you on our channel. Today we present to you hairstyles for curly and curly hair. Please watch the video to the end and maybe you will find a great hairstyle for yourself. Are you looking for short curly hairstyles? Want short curly styles that are stunning and stylish? You have come to the right place as we will provide you with all the inspiration you need. Short curly hairstyles have gained a lot of popularity this year. Whether they are natural curls or not, it is of no value. If you want it, go flaunt it. This ruffled curly hairstyle is shorter on one side and has long defined curls covering the forehead. Check out our guide on long curly hairstyles, which include 30 stunning trending haircuts for the current year. From layered haircuts to straight hair, we have covered them all. This messy stack of curls is one of the most popular hairstyles for short curly hair. It has both small as well as big curls and looks stunning. This one is an attention grabber and would make you stand out in the crowd. If you are looking for an elegant and stylish hairstyle, then a feather cut can be a good option as well. If you wish to make a statement with your curls, then this is the style you should go for. With loose curls stacked at the crown and placed systematically at the forehead, this hairstyle gets more stylish and edgier with the addition of shaved temples. This style is not just stunning but also very easy to maintain. Shiny brunette curly hairstyle. Put up your fabulous curls on a display with this hairstyle for a short curly hairstyle. The curls are so well defined and just sit so pretty to form a very smart look. Relaxed curls for short hair. Rock your curls in their natural glory with this style for short curly hair. The wispy medium curls are let free to settle on their own, giving out a carefree and relaxed look. Also, you don't have to worry about a gust of wind ruining your curls, cause it would just add to your carefree style. Voluminous short curly hairstyles. This particular set of curls made us fall in love with itself again and again. This hairstyle lets you show off your curls. There is a lot of curl volume with baby bangs and looks so pretty and gorgeous. Blonde ringlet curls. Short curly hair with layers is another stunning choice. These blonde curls are well defined and polished at the front and slightly teased at the crown to give a little bit of an illusion of volume. This is one of the modern short haircuts for curly hair. Short bob with tight curls. You don't have to think twice before having fun with your naturally curly hair. Embrace your curls and flint your natural style with a hairstyle like this one. The tight curls sit in place beautifully and look amazing. One of the top hairstyles for evening gowns, bob haircut is always a trendsetter. Marilyn Monroe short curly hair. Take a few short curly hair lessons from the past with this Marilyn Monroe-inspired blonde curls. Short hair, big curls. This hairstyle was made famous by Monroe and still looks as stunning and stylish as it looked then. Give a voice to your inner vintage queen with this set of stunning curls. Short curly cuts. A voluminous short bob with a lot of curls gives out a very cool and retro vibe. The well-defined curls, which are a bit of ruffled at the crown, look very impressive and breathtakingly beautiful. One of the most popular wedding hairstyles. This is always in trend. Short curly hairstyles with braids. Want to add drama to your hair without going overboard? Mix up your style with this short curly hair idea. Here, the S-shaped curls are parted deep to the sides and a braid is added to imitate the shaved temple look. This hairstyle adds the necessary drama and edginess to your look. Short hair with loose ruffled curls. There is no dearth of hairstyles for short curly hair. Don't want to waste too much time and effort on styling? Then choose a style like this curly pixie. The loose curls with their natural texture are easy on the eyes as well as time. Blonde afro curly hair. This is yet another of the short haircuts for curly hair, which allows you to embrace your natural curls. And what better way of embracing exists than a short afro cut? His blonde afro looks chic, smart, and stunning. Short curly hair for redheads. A short curly updo looks extremely gorgeous and will help you sail through a formal party or function with style. With a small curly bun at the back, this hairstyle is completed with asymmetric curls out in the front. This elegant style will ensure that all the eyes stop at you. Simple hairstyles for short curly hair. This set of brown curls for thick hair is simply stunning. If you have an excess volume that you would need to be taken care of, then you can add an undercut. This would take off the excess volume without making it look obvious. Relaxed curls for short bob. This is one of the classic hairstyles for short curly hair. The medium curls look amazing and are perfect for the office-going woman. Casual loose curls for short hair. Forget about the styling details for a bit and let your curls take center stage for a while. Let them go free for a more casual and unkempt look, which looks gorgeous just like this one. Cute naturally curly hairstyles. This is a layered short curly hairstyle. Wear your curls in their natural glory with this hairstyle. Voluminous curly bob with bangs. We fell in love with this short curly hairstyle as soon as we laid our eyes on it. This curly bob with bangs looks ultra glamorous. Latest short curly hairstyles. We fell in love with this hairstyle with loosely coiled curls. Hope you do too. It is simply so chic and elegant. Friends, thank you for watching the video to the end. Subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with trending hairstyles. Give us a like and click the bell.